What's going on, everybody? My name is Mario. This is a channel all about amusement park type stuff, but mostly coasters. Javey told me to be fast because she has to pee, but we're about to hit up Busch Gardens and Montu.
Let's talk about amusement parks, like rides and rides in the dark. Rides right here and rides all over, but mostly coasters, mostly coasters. We'll talk about all kind of things, but mostly coasters.
So, a couple rides in. We'll start with the positives. Montu had no wait, which is great, right? Montu was insanely fun. It was hauling. Javey even really liked it. But at the front entrance of it, you have two attendants standing there talking to each other, ignoring the guests, and there's tons of people within her view, and a couple people even walking past her not wearing a mask, and neither of them say anything. And then in line for Cobra's Curse, and the air conditioning was off. In a stuffy, small area, it's like an 80-degree day. It was actually hotter inside than it was outside. You know, the ride was great, and the alligators are great. I should mention, though, we're gonna partake in the Mardi Gras festivities. It's like a food and drink event that they have going on. It looks fun. It looks like a lot more unique stuff than the beer festival, yeah? As pass holders, we get a couple free samples. Yeah, so that'll be fun. So Guazi totally fits like the whole color scheme vibe of Mardi Gras, and I love it. Where are you going, sweetheart? Happy Mardi Gras!
Very nice.
It's not as scary when you're far away from them. Javey is terrified.
No.
Absolutely. What do you mean no? I have you on footage running into a corner to hide away from these people.
I had my mask off. I was being respectful.
The social distancing is 6 feet, not 37. I'm glad I got it on video for once of Javey running away from the stilt people.
I wasn't running away.
She's so terrified of it. That was hilarious. I thought it was just gonna be like the beer fest where it's like they just have the food stands and stuff. Yeah, they have a little bit of decoration stuff. It's cool. I like it so far. We're gonna chill, get some nice frozen drinks, and maybe food. So this here is the iced hurricane. This is a sample size for reference. Pretty teeny tiny, so if you get one of the samplers, this is the size you'll be having.
My teeny baby hands.
And this is Javey's teeny baby hands, and it looks, well, don't turn around. Javey, don't turn around, whatever you do. Now turn around. You can hear it? You can hear it? But yeah, anyway, this is the sample size. Even in Javey's teeny tiny hands, it still looks teeny tiny. But is it good? Fine?
Fine.
It's probably just a little too rum heavy for my liking. I'm not a big rum person, and this has like a couple different kinds of rums in it. But it's good. It's good. If you like rum, I'm sure you'll like it. It's rummy and fruity. Here we can see two birds in their wild habitat. The red one is very hot because he's red, so the blue one is trying to cool him down because he's blue. Very friendly bird behavior over here.
It doesn't look very friendly.
No, now they're the best of buds and they're just hanging out together. It's great. So here's the chicken po' boy, and right off the bat, look at all those pickles. looks pretty good. Comes with a whole darn bag of chips too. And this is a sample size too. There's no difference between sample size and like pay for it for the food. So I think actually like the better deal is buying the drink and using the sample on the food. That's probably the smartest way to go about it, just because the drinks are tiny sizes. The food is a full portion. But yeah, it's good. It's good. I don't recommend it. It's no genuine po' boy from Louisiana. That's for sure. But then again, what is? But now, hopefully, at least, we're gonna ride the long flume that we've never ridden here, so that'll be fun. Look how beautiful Shikra looks, huh? Oh, man. Dude, that drop was awesome. I like that a lot. I got what? So Stanley River Falls, if that is what it's called. Stanley Flume. Stanley the ride of water. How was it? I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
It was like a really fast-paced ride. Like after the first little drop, you're going through the flumes really quickly. It was good. I really liked it. You get some really great views of the park as well, which I didn't expect because it's like pretty short, but you can see every corner of the park kind of.
This is literally just 2 drops and stuff in the middle to get you to the 2 drops.
Yeah.
But those 2 drops were way more fun this time. That was way, 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 way more fun than I remember.
That was ejector, man. That was so good. That was one of my favorite rides on this, and it was gorgeous. The view was awesome. The sunset and everything. That was so good. I love that. I didn't even notice that we went flying into that last turn. That's kind of funny. Wow. Okay, wow. I've never seen that before. So that's gonna do it for us from Busch Gardens, Tampa, checking out Mardi Gras and a few of the rides. Mardi Gras was great. I definitely recommend coming for that if you have a pass, right?
Super fun.
I'd say overall good day,
yeah.
But you know, there's always room for improvement.
The log flume and
the log flume was so
really
good.
Pulled it out of the bag there.
The log flume, it didn't have theming or anything, but it just had like a great pacing. It had like, it was so cool to see the different parts of the park.
It was also just exciting to do something new at a park we've been to so many times.
Yeah, Sheikah was great. I'm glad Javey enjoyed it. I'm glad Javey enjoyed freaking Montu, because Javey hates B&M over the shoulder restraints. So like that was great. And yeah, Mardi Gras was fun and just lively, energetic, nice music, and just
it's definitely
a fun.
Nice to feel like you're going to something.
It was a vibe, as the kids say.
It was.
So overall, I'm happy. Until next time.
Have a heart, do your part, help keep the park clean.
Oh yeah, that's a nice message.